broadcasting live.
From Stephen. I just wanted to put pen to paper and tell you how much you mean to me. How much I love you, and that meeting you was the best thing that ever happened to me. You are more beautiful than I could ever dream of explaining. When I look at you, I know that I am the luckiest man in the world to have you looking back at me. I know, right? Now, the day has come where you will be my wife, and I just want to make sure you know I will spend every day from here on out making sure you know I love you more than anything. All my love forever, Stephen. Aww.
You were my answered prayers. I remember praying to God that if He is to give me a man, please give me a person that I need, not what I want. You were different from all the guys I dated. The main difference is you never gave up. I remember once when we had a fight and on the verge of breaking up, I told you that maybe we're not supposed to be together. And when you replied, I readied myself that you will have a breakup with me. Instead, you said, maybe we are not supposed to be together, but I finally found what I want, and I won't give up. I love you forever and eternity. Miss Stephen Joseph Wood.
Message to Stephen. See you at the altar. Wow.
Everybody ready? Oh yeah! Come on, pick it up to 11. 'Cause everybody knows we're gonna be legends. You know I want it. I'm gonna come and get it. On your mark, get ready. Oh, here we go. Na 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 na. Yeah, let's go, go, go. Na 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 na. Make everybody say, oh, oh, oh. I want it, and I gotta have it. Na 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 na. Oh, here we go.
So it is important for Stephen and the young to understand that in this life that they are about to embark on, this journey that they are about to undertake, they need very much the presence of God. God becomes a third person in your marital relationship. He was the one who invited you and provided you the opportunity to meet one another. And He's the one who is going to have the power to sustain this relationship.
I, Stephen, take you, Diane, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Diane, take you, Stephen, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all days of my life.
Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
by the authority of the Church, calling on all those present here as witnesses, confirm and bless the bond of marriage which you have contracted. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Diane, wear this ring as a sign of my unconditional love and loyalty for as long as I live. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Stephen, wear this ring as a sign of my unconditional love and loyalty for as long as I live. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Father's love, a wedding dance, New Year's dreams, a toast with friends, a soldier coming home from war, a faith, a hope for so much more. A brand new